Been watching a video and they are suggesting this approach basically for the uh, pushing and popping of the stack. So they are saying it's multiple stack they're dealing with. They're just giving example of two stacks in one array. So anytime there is a push, we increment the first one, and for pop, we decrement it. Pushing, we are decrementing it basically. And in case top 2 minus 1 is equal to top 1, then stack is full, and if top 1 plus 1 then equal to top 2, then stack is full. So let's use this approach. I like this approach. Um, yeah, so go ahead and share your screen and continue with the program that you are writing and use this. So for push 1, it'll be top 1 equals top 2 minus 1. And that's all. Everything is okay there. Let's copy paste that. And this will be top 1 plus 1. Top 2 equals to top 1 plus 1. Yeah. And it's top 2 minus minus at line 23. And then same thing as the other. Yeah, correct. Okay, so we got the push operations. I'll just check what are we saying for pop. Yeah. So for pop 1, it's if top 1 equals minus 1, then stack is empty. Uh, so in both situations, so what I saw that online, they are considering any stack whose index is like the top is minus 1, that is considered to be empty. Else item will be equal to string top 1. Let me share the image with you. Share image online.
Like this. Like this.
Yeah, that's correct. Can you explain to me this part? Item equals to array top 1. What's happening there? Line 33.
It's getting the item and the top one index first, and then decrease index,
Okay. The item is equal to top one and then top minus minus. But why is it setting the item equals array top one for popping? Shouldn't it be top minus minus and then I'm just trying to understand why is it setting that on 33?
Top one is where the last item is, the topmost item.
Let's say that so we are popping, right? So let's say that there are the first stack has two elements on zero and first index, and I want to pop out one of the elements. So of course top is going to reduce from uh, so we were on the first index, we'll go back to zero index, so top one minus minus is fine. But why is it setting the item equals array top one?
Because you want to get the item at index one.
Okay, and what are we going to do with that? But
To return it.
okay, so it just returns the item that is being removed, that's all, right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Let's create the pop 2 also. So copy paste, that will be the same. Just the bottom part will change, so it will get incremented. That is fine. On line 44 become top 2, and yeah, it will be incremented basically.
The top
Correct.
two is starting.
Go down.
Top two is starting from size. So that's what you should check right here. If top two equals size, then stack it only. Uh, yes.
Uh, so what they are saying according to them is that initially set the top, both the tops to -1 only. That's what they're saying.
Mm,
Then they're empty. Don't set
then
anything.
here also it should be set to -1.
Yes, yes. I guess the impact of the thunder was not as high as it was in my area.
Yeah.
It just felt that it just happened right above my head. Okay, so I'd also like you to print on the line after line 45. Just print it that item removed was this. So at least we know why we are, what's happening. And same thing for pop. No. I guess 4 is coming. That's very similar thunder. Can you test this much?
Okay. We are not calling for.
Sorry.
We didn't call pop in main request.
Let's call pop then. So we'll have to ask the user. For pop, I think we have to ask the user, right?
No, we are asking the user for push.
Let's ask the user which element you want to remove.
I have to run it in the online file. It's not running.
Yeah. Is it a different branch you have created, or are you pushing on the same branch?
Uh, Yesterday I pushed on main.
Main? Are you on main branch right now? Just check if you're on main branch and then push it there. I need to paste some images related to that, which will make it a little bit clear. So just push
What
your
should I
code,
push?
whatever you've done so far. Create another branch if you're already not on another branch, and push it on GitHub. So I can paste some screenshot that you can use for further working.
Okay.
I think we should differentiate by in the print command. How come we are accepting, like, how many items are there? Like, how big is the array? 20. I think 20 is too much. Let's reduce it to like 10 and divide them by 4.
Okay.
Too much. We for testing have to enter so much of data. Now, can you push the code first so I can paste the images? pushed?
Yes.
Okay. Did he create a PR?
Not yet. Okay, then.
Okay. Let me take over from here. Okay. I'm
Okay.
gonna share my screen. Okay. So slow. So Maya, I don't think I can. First of all, my internet is so slow. Plus, things are not really opening because of mobile internet. You only go ahead. Sorry.
Okay.
So we are able to enter the live. We have to try the pop now.
Yeah.
I think maybe for this one we can do something like uh, let him keep. I mean, we don't really. Uh, yeah, let him keep removing it, and we want to show some kind of an error also that there's no items available. So maybe go up until the length of stack plus one or something, so that he gets an error. We're already printing that in pop, right? You don't have to print it again.
No, we must see.
Yeah, remove item removed.
Oh, yeah, we are.
You just have to call the pop.
Okay.
No, 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 not the whole thing. That's fine. It's fine. Whatever you're doing was fine. Yeah, now we can remove that item. Just call the pop. Yeah, fine. I saw below that video, somebody was run it online only. Somebody was saying, "Sir, you are not using max. Don't use -1." So I guess we shouldn't use for the second stack.
We should use max.
Sorry,
What did you say? We should use max for the second step.
where?
Here, should it
Yeah,
be
max
minus one
exactly.
or
Correct. So it should be less than max, right? Sorry, if it's greater than max, if top two is greater than max, that means stack is empty
why greater? No?
because max will be the last position, right? What's max actually, or will it be max -1? What is max? Max is 10,
Uh,
correct? Or
yes.
size, not max, but size. Sorry. Yeah, size is 10. So if the index is at ninth, so top is starting from 0. So uh,
No, top
if
is
top
starting
2
from
equals, no,
top
it's
is
starting
starting
from
from
yeah, I
size.
know, it's like, yeah, you're right. So if it equals to size, that means it's empty. But will it remove the last item if we check that condition? Or should it be greater than size?
It can't become greater than it. Because
Let's try
your audio is breaking up a lot.
you get to know.
See, it prints stack is empty at the end.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, carry on.
This is the output. It's working.
Okay, stack is empty. Cool. That's working, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's working all fine. You can push this code. We will get it merged.
I push it, but I can't see the option to create a pull request. I can't see the option to create a pull request.